This be the old wood garage door and the new garage door. That has to go right there. Yeah, nothing to it. Just a few parts. Yeah. Oh, it got bright in here. Woo. Okay, you're standing in my way. Sorry, you're gonna have to move. Yeah, I'd say that's good. We have to go from the top. There we go. Okay, with that sitting on top of there, I just want to make sure that this is flush with the bottom one. So I'm just going to pull that until it's flush. It's good. Okay, garage door complete. Now I need an opener. This is a 1/2 horsepower and I like it because it will work with Wi-Fi. Chamberlain B550. Wish me luck. Oh, I almost messed up. Let's show you what I did. See it? I got the leg of my ladder. Gotta take that out first. And the garage door is installed with its opener. So I got to get a piece of rubber to go around the outside, but other than that, I think it's done. I got a couple bobs in there. This also works on Wi-Fi. It's connected to the internet. Crazy. Show you the app. Here's the app here. And it's pretty simple. It's basically open and close. So it's been closed for 41 seconds. I can click that. And it's kind of nice because you could do that if you forgot to somewhere else. And then there is a history. And you see it's keeping track of when it was open and closed. I don't know why you'd need that, but maybe. And you can add other devices and stuff, but Not sure what that means. Oh, you know what? I think it's warning that it's going to close because it's assuming that you're not around it if you're using the app maybe when it's closing. And it has a keypad out here too, which is kind of nice. So yeah, lights up. That project's done. Check, check.